In a separate case, 4 men in their 20s have been arrested from near the cantonment town of Roorkee in Uttarakhand. It has been alleged that they were plotting to strike the Arth Kumbh Mela and other targets in North India. Sudhiranjan Sen sent us this report.
For 19-year-old Mohammad Usama, till recently, this was pretty much his world. This village, its people, and this college, Chaman Lal University, where he was studying political science, history and geography. 3 days ago, he was arrested by the Delhi police for allegedly trying to carry out a terror attack. Jorasi village is shocked. Osama is remembered as a courteous, religious and a studious boy with many friends. He wanted to join the civil service. 2 of his brothers are in the state police. Today, his family members insist he is innocent.
बच्चे का कसूर हो तो कोई मिल रहा हो वहाँ से मिल रहा हो कहीं दूसरे मुल्कों से या उसका कोई संबंध हो तो उसे सजा दो। अजी नहीं सुनी पूछ लो आप इनसे पब्लिक से पूछ लो आप ये क्यों मोहब्बत वहाँ खड़ी ये नहीं खड़ी नाहक मारा गया बच्चा।
Jorasi has about 10,000 people and is prosperous. People are mostly farmers and most importantly doesn't have any history of any violence. Everyone we met in this village said he was a normal boy with normal aspirations to be a civil servant and have a peaceful life. A little distance away from where we are, investigators with Mehraj, one of the 4 arrested on a search mission. Just like Mohammad Usama's family at Landora village, Sartaj too is shocked. In a midnight swoop, policemen picked up his 20-year-old brother Mehraj, who was about to become a doctor. He too was arrested. Osama, Mehraj, Azim and Aklar-ur-Rahman, all in their 20s, close friends, arrested for allegedly trying to carry out a terror strike.
तो महराज नीचे ही था जब पुलिस को देख कर ऊपर गया महराज लैपटॉप दे दिया मोबाइल मांगा मोबाइल दे दिया हम फिर दिल्ली गए हम
मुलाकात हो पाई आप लोगों से?
जी जी
क्या बोले क्या आप लोगों को? महराज क्या बोला?
महराज डरा हुआ था बहुत फिर उन्होंने कहा भाई मेरे लैपटॉप में कुछ नहीं लग रहा ना मोबाइल में कोई बात किसी किस्म की नहीं।
Sartaj is a well-to-do businessman. One of his children is studying law while his other child is about to graduate. And his brother Mehraj and Osama studied together here. Today, this college is empty and deserted. His teachers are puzzled.
उन्होंने कहा सामान्य बच्चों की भांति आते थे क्लास में और हाजिरी भी इनकी ठीक थी और आते थे चले जाते थे क्लास अटेंड करते थे काफी
और क्लास में कैसे व्यवहार?
क्लास में इनका व्यवहार ठीक था।
As villagers and relatives of the boys arrested for allegedly trying to carry out a terror strike try to make sense of the events, this woman, who has taught Mehraj for many years, has a lot to remember and perhaps an explanation as well.
ज्यादा पढ़ने में हाई फाई भी नहीं था और ज्यादा कमजोर भी नहीं था, ठीक था। कभी भी शरारत में भी हमारे सामने ऐसे रूप में नहीं आया हुआ। ये सोशल मीडिया है, ये सबसे ज्यादा तो अच्छाई की तरफ कम पकड़ता है और बुराई की तरफ बच्चे को ज्यादा ले जाता है।
While nothing much has been found on the ground, security agencies say a lot of the evidence lies in the internet and the cyber world. The use of the internet to recruit and to motivate people is perhaps a new reality that the Indian security infrastructure and Indian society will have to now deal with. With camera person Shalik Ram from Roorkee, Sudhiranjan Sen for NDTV.